This is my first day filming when I feel better, and I've got a small, tiny haul to show you. A lot of it is photo props for Christmas. Yeah, that's mainly what it is, to be honest. So I'll do the nail stuff first. Now, there's a funny story to these. I'd ordered the set of 6 9D Azure gels. And I was wondering where they are. And I had a card through from the postie saying that I had a parcel to go and collect it. So when I went to the sorting office to collect it, they told me it had already been collected. They had mixed the parcels up with my neighbour, so my neighbour had this, and she thought somebody had sent her it, and she started having a play with them. So they've been opened, but it's not me that's used them, and it's not me that's made that mess. She's very messy. So I got this, which is Model 1's, well, it's the Leafu stuff, and 1864 it is. Let me see if you can see that. And it's a gorgeous glitter. It really is lovely. But it's a bloody mess. I hate my polishes being like that, so this will be getting cleaned up just shortly before I put it away. So there's that. Then there's the 9D gels. I think everybody's probably seen them by now, because it took so long for me to get them. What I'll do is I'll do a swatch video with these. I don't know if there's any of them open at all. Well, that one is. Yeah, that's a bit messy as well, so I'm not going to open all these on camera, but I will do a separate swatch video at some point. It might just be an Instagram video, but we'll see. I also ordered these paisley nail forms. I think they look like a lot of fun. Let's have a wee look. These literally just came today. Oh my goodness. Great. Let's have a look at them. Sorry, my hands really are not working. So there's that one. They're all quite loud, I think, but they're supposed to be. I like that Aztec-y one. It's in the pink and yellow. Yeah, I think they're quite nice. There's no way I'll use all of these, so I'll be putting some in the box for my daughter-in-law. But I just think they're fun and they're a wee bit different. So I'll probably snip this whole pile in half, and she'll have some and I'll have some. That's probably my plan. So that's them. I also got stickers. I love Disney, but I love the villains because I'm a bit of a bitch. My favourite is Maleficent. I absolutely adore her. So we've got this. Hope you can see them all. Love Maleficent. So I'll be using them at some point, but it'll be after New Year, I would think. It won't be in the run up to Christmas. I also got a couple of plates. Now these were just cheap ones. I think they're from like 69p each or something. So I don't know how they're going to be. But for that price, I'm willing to try. Shop Ants. So the main reason I bought this one was for these leaves. You know, to do 420 nails. Because I've struggled to find those leaves. But it turns out I do like a lot of the patterns that's on it. I really like that, and I like this. I'm not sure I like this leopard head. I think it looks quite bizarre, but it might be better once it's stamped, so we'll give it a wee go. But I like all these for going up the middle of the nails. They're nice. So that's that one. And I've got this one. I can't remember why I ordered this one. I usually have a reason for ordering a specific plate, whether it be 1 image or 6. I always give the advice to, if you're not going to use more than 4 images on a plate, don't buy it. Shop Ants XL001, and this one was XL006. I think I ordered this one for that lady. These are really nice, actually. I love this. And these are quite sharp. In fact, they're very sharp. So I think I'm maybe going to file them with a rough file. Speaking of files, I also got these, which I haven't opened yet. Wait till I find scissors. I ordered the metal file with the sticky-on attachments. why won't you come out? Oh, because you're stuck. There we go. Yeah, so it's the metal file itself, it's rigid, it doesn't bend. And then you just peel the stickers off and attach these either side. I think I got 100 grit stickers. So I will be using that because my other file, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not very good. So I will be trying this out soon. So I shall keep you posted on that. I think that's all the nail stuff. Let me get rid of this rubbish and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And moving on to the props. I got, I had a wee trip around B&M and I got this snow in a can. You just add water and then the snow will grow. And I thought that'd be really nice for like, obviously a frozen or a winter nail set. So I might not even use it, but we'll see. It was £1.49. In fact, also from B&M, I got this tinsel. It's a star tinsel. I got the rose gold. I think that's quite nice just for laying the nails on top of. I think that'd be bra. And that was £1 for this tub. And there's 7 metres of it. From Tesco, I got these napkins because instead of using white kitchen roll, I'm going to use these for my tissue on the worktop over Christmas. I've got other ones with dots in them as well. So that's that. But I can also use them for background as well. I'm saying it's a haul. I've just been at my friend's house for a cuppa and he had some really nice pink baubles for his tree and I begged and bugged him until he gave me one. So thank you very much, Billy. So that's for photo props. Such a nice colour. I got these from Tesco. To be honest, I didn't realise they were £4. So somebody with a wee girl better want these after I've finished with them for photo props. Because I will be doing a frozen set at some point. I just don't know when. And this will be a prop. But I'll only be using one for the prop. So somebody with a wee girl really hopefully will want these. And I can send them on. Because at £4 I'm not chucking them in the bucket. After I'm finished with them. No chance. So I shall find somebody for them. I also got from Tesco a bead chain. I just thought that would be nice for like having beads dripping over your hand for when you're holding nails. Thought that would be quite nice. And then lastly, actually it's not lastly because I'm going to count something else even though I didn't buy it, but these are balloon lights. Now again, I thought they could be like, you know, if that tinsel's all spread out of that, you could have a couple of them buried into the tinsel. There's the switch, there it is. So they come on and just give off a glow. So I thought a couple of them in amongst tinsel or whatever would just be really nice. Or photos, you get 10 in there. I can't remember how much they were. But they weren't expensive. They come from AliExpress, I think. Right, this really probably shouldn't be included in the haul, but I'm going to include them anyway because they're so pretty and I want to show you. I've already shown them, but Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station had sent me my giveaway prize, which was the Burano Polygel, but she also put in some extras, these glitters, so I just wanted to show you them. I've already used this one, and I've already used this one, but I just thought they were lovely, so I'm including them in my haul because technically I got them. So yeah, they're going to get put away, so I'm classing them as a haul, and that's that. What I've decided to do with my channel is all my normal videos like nail designs or collabs, they'll all be shown on my normal Sundays and Thursdays, or any wee designs that I come up with. The Tuesday videos are going to be, because I know I've been doing a lot of reviews lately, and I'm enjoying doing the reviews and figuring out what products I like and what ones are better than others and such like, because I've just discovered the most amazing polygel with that Burano, and that wasn't a review, that was just the prize, but I love it. So I'm going to continue to do reviews. I was going to stop, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to continue to do them, but I'm going to do them on a Tuesday. So I'm going to have a try out Tuesday. That'll be for if I'm doing a review, or if I want to try a new technique like with these. I really want to try the black hole thing and see if I can get it. So that'll probably be done on a Tuesday. So that'll be a try it Tuesday. Does that make sense? It'll be the same with the reviews, I'll be trying it, so that'll be done on a Tuesday. So it's only going to be my normal videos, but it's on a Sunday and a Thursday. I think that makes sense. Hopefully everybody's alright with that. If you've got any other suggestions for me, let me know down in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you like what I bought and got. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!